Hi, I am Mamta and welcome to my channel Hindi Learning Made Easy. Today we will learn fruits in Hindi. I have made this video very short and very interesting. I am sure you will watch it till the end and will not miss fun-filled animated quiz. So keep watching. Let us first learn fruit in Hindi. Fruit is phal. Speak with me, phal. The gender of the word is masculine. That's why boy image is here. First fruit we are going to learn is mango. And do you know mango is king of the fruits? Mango in Hindi is aam. It is not it is aam. Speak with me, aam. And the gender of the word is masculine. Next fruit is apple. Apple in Hindi is seb. Seb. And the gender is masculine. Next is banana. Banana is kela. Speak with me, kela. And the gender is masculine. Next fruit, orange. Orange is santara. Speak with me, santara. It is also called as narangi sometimes. If you recall, orange color is also narangi. Word santara is masculine, but the word narangi is feminine. Next fruit, pomegranate. Pomegranate is anar. Speak with me, anar. The gender is masculine. Recall some colors. Color in Hindi is rang. Red is lal. Green is hara. Yellow is peela. Orange is narangi. Let us describe the fruit with its color. Red apple. Lal seb. Green apple. Hara seb. Red yellow apple. Lal peela seb. Speak with me. Lal peela seb. Let us learn some sentences. This is an apple. यह एक सेब है. This is a red apple. यह एक लाल सेब है. Speak with me. यह एक लाल सेब है. Let's do the quiz now. There are children holding fruits in their hands, and there is a timer. One child will appear on your screen with timer on. You have to tell the name of the fruit which he is holding before the time gets over. Let's start the quiz. So here we go. What is the boy holding in his hand? Anar. Did you get it right? Let's go to the next one. Seb. Next one. Boy is holding santara. Next one. Aam. And the last one. Kela. Did you get all correct? Let's move to the next part. Here Teacher is asking children to describe the fruit with its color. For example, this is a green apple. यह एक हरा सेब है. Let's start. Time starts now. यह एक पीला आम है. Next child. And time starts now. यह एक पीला केला है. Next child. Time starts now. यह एक लाल अनार है. Did you get it right? Next one. Time starts now. यह एक नारंगी संतरा है. Observe, narangi is the color. Santara is the fruit. Next one. यह एक लाल सेब है. I would request you to paste pictures of all the fruits which we have learnt here in your picture book. Don't forget to write the words in Hindi. Speak the words and sentences in Hindi which you have learnt here. If you like my videos, please do share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and learning Hindi with me. धन्यवाद. नमस्ते. फिर मिलेंगे.